Making money as a teenager. Well, it's almost impossible, but there are still some possibilities of making money as a teenager. And I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of examples in this video on how I actually succeeded to making money as a teenager online. Now, the amount of money you can make, it varies between hundreds to thousands to even millions online as a teen. I know people who have made millions of dollars online and they are only teens. And in this video I'm going to be explaining some of the methods where you guys can actually make some money online. Of course, being a teenager. Now I'm going to be explaining these methods, but I'm going to be making separate videos on actually how to start up all of these methods and grow a consistent base of actually making consistent passive income. So make sure you guys are sticking along on the channel. If you're new, please try and like and subscribe. It is free and you can always unsubscribe if you do not like my content. But at the end of the day, it will really help me out and it really pushes me out in the algorithm to help as many people as we can. The first way I've been looking at on how to actually make money online, which I've been doing for a while, is Instagram. Now you may be thinking, how do you make money on Instagram? Well, you guys may follow some theme pages, for example some of the ones that are on screen right now. These pages actually post all of this content, but while they're posting this content they're actually generating money. If you guys want to actually try succeed in this method, you want to actually get a niche. And there are tons of different Instagram niches, and some of them include football, gym, cats, makeup, gaming, dogs, and loads more. Anything you can think of that is relatable and trending at the moment that will actually gain you followers and active likes. Now, how to make money with this? Monetizing your Instagram page is pretty easy and pretty hard at the same time. One of the ways of actually making money on Instagram is selling shoutouts / promos. You don't want to have a page that's got 50,000 followers and you're only getting 100 likes on each post. Companies are going to be looking at pages that are going to get in the explore page all the time and they're getting around 10,000 to 15,000 likes, for example with a 50k page. I'm going to stick on the mark of a 50k page. Any of the things I'm going to be saying is going to be based on a 50k page throughout this whole video. So I'm going to be going over in a separate video on how to grow an active Instagram page, so look out for that on my channel. But for now, take on board all of the info I'm giving you so you know exactly what to do and make a plan for your account. The next way of actually making money online is TikTok. Yet again, you will need a specific niche for TikTok. Now TikTok is a little bit different because the videos are a bit more short and it's a different type of software and it's just a bit more different to Instagram. Most niches on TikTok have got stuff to do with like clips, funny moments, and just IRL stuff like dancing. Charli D'Amelio, she's made it a lot far than other people online, and she's dancing, she's doing all of this stuff, people doing pranks, and all of this stuff works. Monetizing TikTok. Now, the same thing will happen on TikTok where people will reach out to you and different companies will reach out to you, but you actually need some sort of contact information for people to reach out to you on. Because you can't actually directly message people on TikTok unless you're following them and they're following you. And most likely, if you're gaining hundreds of followers a day, you're not going to really be looking out at every single follower. So make sure to add a business email in your description or your bio of something to actually get people to reach out to you. You can also reach out to companies yet again by emailing them and saying if they want to actually have their product put on your page or something like that for exchange for a bit of money. There is also a TikTok creator fund. Now you actually need 10,000 followers to get this, but 10,000 followers is not too hard to get if you upload it on a consistent basis. With the TikTok creator fund, you'll get to around 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. So I mean, it is pretty trash. So if you get 10k views, you're only going to be getting around 10 cents. Yeah, it's pretty trash. But at the end of the day, if you go proper viral, you're still going to be making a lot of money. But companies actually pay TikTok influencers a lot of money to promote their company. For example, Charli D'Amelio would probably charge around $30,000 to $50,000 for a promo on her account. Generally because she's got so many followers and so much love and support from her fans. I'm also going to be making a specific video on how to grow a TikTok page easily in a separate video. So yet again, for now, just take on board all of the info I'm giving you and actually make a plan for your TikTok account and how you want to run it. Another way to actually make money online for a full-time career is dropshipping. Dropshipping is basically where you are a middleman of a product. You go onto a website like AliExpress or Wish and find a product that actually stands out to people and that you think people would actually buy and use. So for example, you also want to pick a niche with this, so you may go with gym, you may go with health, you may go with anything, gaming. So I'm going to go with gym, and for example, you could pick out this item on screen right here. they could be selling this for $2 and then you could resell it for about $15. So you can make around $13 profit. Obviously you have to pay for shipping unless you include it into the price. But people actually do this for a full-time career and make a lot of money out of it. But with dropshipping, you actually need a little bit of money to start off by promoting it, or even if you already have an Instagram page that is big, you can promote it on there and try drive some sales. The best thing you want to do with dropshipping is actually use the profit you make and invest it back into promoting your page or your site on how to actually push out your product. There will be a video on how to actually set up a dropshipping site in the description, but I will also be doing some experiments on dropshipping in another video, and I'm going to be explaining how to actually start up. But check that video in the description if you guys want to actually start dropshipping, but make sure to stick around on my channel because I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what to do. Hopefully you guys actually learned something from this video and made it this far. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe with the notifications on, and comment win if you want to enter my giveaway. Now you're going to be thinking, what is this giveaway? Now this giveaway is actually not going to be an Xbox or anything like that. I'm actually be going into a call with one of you guys who actually comment win and is liked and subscribed to the channel. So if you comment win, you have a chance of getting in a call with me for an hour, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to grow and start up. Any of the social media platforms are on screen right now, so it could be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, it could be any of them, and I'm going to show you exactly how to actually build it up and start a nice active account. You'll get an hour in the call, so good luck to all of you guys. I'm also working on a video on how to actually start your own viral YouTube channel, so have your notifications on. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.